Hi, this is the Realme Narzo 60 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to wallpapers and style. Click here to wallpaper section and you'll see here the default wallpapers. Also we get here the album with different folders which we could use with different photos from our device gallery, or also we could use the photos which we just downloaded, for example, from the internet. I'll use one from the default ones. Click to apply, tap to lock screen and wait a couple of seconds. Now just let's lock the device, and as you could see we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpapers icon, and by the same way select one from the icons, tap apply, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.